Naipunya Vikasam Life Skills Class 6. Good morning, students. How are you all? Dear students, today I would like to teach an interesting topic from life skills. First, let me tell you what life skills are and how these life skills are important in our daily life. Life skills build a confidence to provide practical ways to overcome the issues that we come across in our life. Many inventions and discoveries have taken place out of necessity, curiosity, and creativity. Today's topic is Creative Me. Here is an example how necessities compel to create new inventions, solutions to the problems. Let me take an example of a girl, Ramya Jose. At the age of just 14, Ramya Jose created her first invention, a pedal-powered washing machine made from recycled bike parts that can make laundry easier for families without electricity. Ramya Jose every day had to change 3 buses while going to and coming from school and spend about 2 hours each way. At that time, her mother fell ill and her father was undergoing medical treatment. Her mother's condition is not well, so she was assigned to wash clothes. She has to go to river to wash clothes. As their financial condition is not good, she can't ask her parents to buy washing machine. Instead of washing clothes by hand in the river, she invented a machine that saves time and effort. A pedal-powered washing machine made from recycled bike parts. Her father helped find the parts she needed and took her sketch to a neighborhood auto shop, where the workers helped construct the machine. Students, look at the picture how laundry is placed inside the machine, along with hot water and detergent, and left to soak for 10 minutes. And a small faucet on the cabin drains the soapy water. Then the user pedals to spin the laundry and clean it. And then the whole machine is refilled with clean water for final rinse cycle. She was presented with the National Award from former Indian President Abdul Kalam. At the age of 18, she applied for a patent on her device. These are the pictures which shows how the washing machine works. Hope you all understood this. How necessity made a girl to invent a washing machine. Now let us see how a curiosity made a man to invent new Velcro fabric. George D. Nestle was an electrical engineer who invented hook and loop fastener, which named Velcro brand hook and loop tape. Velcro is nothing but fabric made of waterproof. One day, George went to forest for hunting with his pet dog. After returning from trip with his dog, he noticed that his dog's fur and his pants were covered with thorny seeds and flowers. Picture image of thorny seeds and flowers. At the time, as a curiosity led him how it worked, he examined under a microscope. He noted hundreds of hooks that caught on anything with a loop, such as clothing, animal fur, or hair. He saw possibility of binding two materials reversibly in a simple fashion. He took his idea to Lyon, which was then a center of weaving, where he did manage to gain the help of weaver who made the cotton stripe that worked. However, the cotton wore out quickly, so Nestle turned to synthetic fibers. The first notable use for Velcro brand hook and loop came in the aerospace industry, where it helped astronauts maneuver in and out of bulky spacesuits. Eventually, skiers noted the similar advantages of a suit that was easier to get in and out. Scuba and marine gear followed soon. Have you understood, students? There is no limit for creativity. If we have creative brain, we can create many things. Let us see some examples. Body parts, these are the body parts. If my hands become eyes, I am special then, because I can rotate my eyes front and back. I can see what will happen back of my body if I raise my hand up. But I must be careful. I am unlucky because I could not do my own work with my hands. If my hands become eyes, I can't play in sand or mud. Let us see one more example of creativity. I hope all know what is this. So call this scale or roller. We are using this in different purposes. Mainly, so many students are saying it is for measuring. Scale has other uses. We use scale to support window that did not shade properly in the class. Sometimes we use scale as a pointer. In the examination, we can use scale to draw the lines for borders. Look paper effectively for draw margin lines to draw pictures on the walls. Follow the steps to prepare origami flowers. We come across our daily life using creativity how we can make a flower with a paper. Using steps we can make a flower easily. This is an alphabet. If we have creativity, we can write alphabet likewise. Using rose petals created a beautiful girl picture. This is one type of creativity by using toothpicks. Okay students, let us brief up today's topic. How necessities compelled a girl to invent a pedal washing machine. How curiosity led a man to create Velcro fabric. There is no limit for creativity. If we have creative brain, we can create many things. I am giving small assessment for you students.